Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you're having a fantastic week so far. All right. Today is May 21st of 2025. We have made it to day number 42 in this My Legion Secret System challenge. And if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back and watch day number one so you can kind of get up to speed on what we're doing. Okay. Now, what we're doing, guys, is we're using a service called My Legion Secret System. We're grabbing one offer from Clickbank, which is a network marketing platform for affiliate marketers. Okay, we're grabbing one offer, we're sending it to the traffic, we're putting those together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing this method. All right. So we've made it to day number 42. Okay, so if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back and watch day number one so you can kind of get, and then watch those videos so you can kind of get up to speed, see the progress, see the sales. Okay, see kind of what we've been doing since then, guys. And then you guys can get started if you guys want to get started as well, so you can start earning that extra income that you need. All right. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. Right. So if you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that's going to provide you 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay. Now people call them business opportunity leads. Okay. So these people that are coming onto this list, excuse me, these people that are coming onto this list, these people are looking for ways to earn income online. Okay. So it's our job as affiliate marketers is to go out and grab offers that are related to making money online. We send them to this traffic, guys, and things happen. Okay. People are interested. They ended up signing up, subscribing to the list to start working, or they end up purchasing the program. Okay. So it's either going to be one of those. All right. So if you guys were to get started with My Legion Secret System, it's going to look exactly like this. This is going to be your back office. This is what it's going to look like, guys. You have your tabs here. You have the mailing system where we're going to hang out and send emails at, guys. But this is what it looks like, okay? The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus mine. I'm obviously have different emails, on different days going out than you do, okay? So the offer that we're going to be using with this system is an offer from Clickbank called Live Chat Jobs. Okay. Made by Social Sales Rep. That is the name of the company. Okay. Now, with this company, you're going to be able to get started working, and it's a lot of data entry type of stuff. Okay, that you guys can do. Okay, but for our prospects, that's what they're going to be doing. Okay, and it's our job as the affiliate marketers is to connect the customer with the opportunity that they're looking to be a part of, which is, and then in the end result is making money online. Okay, so we want to play the middleman between somebody on what they need and then the product that they are interested in, and we want to bridge that gap together. All right. So that's it, guys. This is the My Legion Secret System. You're going to get those business opportunities coming into the list every day. You're going to get 100 or 200 leads every single day. Okay. So the difference on if you get 100 or 200 is going to be however many accounts that you have with the system. Okay, it's going to be very important. Now, I did leave a link below this video. Okay, if you go below this video and you click on more, okay, if you click on more, it's going to bring up this tab right here. Okay, and you're going to click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Click on that. It's going to take you over here to the My Legion Secret, where you're going to be able to sign up and go ahead and get started today. Okay, now there is a one-time charge of only $60 to get started, $30 a month to keep the service. Very inexpensive, okay, for what it is. But then what you're getting in return is thousands and thousands of people every single month coming onto your list that stay with you. They're yours. This is your traffic, okay? So once you get this traffic built up and you get to build up to 100,000, 200,000 people, okay, you're going to be rocking and rolling, all right? So this is what it looks like, guys. All these tabs really don't mean anything. The only tab that's going to be the most important tab in here is going to be this mailing system. This right here is just the My Leads. It's just showing you the emails that are coming in every day. Master email swipes, these are additional emails that you can use. Now, these emails do cost an additional $30, but for the sake of this video, we're going to just use the free email swipes from the vendor from Clickbank. Okay, from the offer that we're promoting, they have free email swipes that we're going to use. Okay, so you don't have to go out and purchase those if you don't want. Okay, I purchased them because they're really good emails, guys, and I've made money from them, so that's the only reason why I promoted them. Okay, so the place where you're going to be hanging out Here is the mailing system. Okay, this is the mailing system here, guys. This is where you're going to send out all your emails. So you click on select all. What that's going to do is going to transfer all of your emails over to the portal. You're going to send out one email. It's going to go out to 52,000 people. Okay. So that one email is going to reach 52,000 people. Okay. And then from those 52,000 people, there may be someone that signs up for the program or subscribes and, someone, that may be interested in what we're doing. All right. Now, the thing about this traffic, I do want to tell you real quick. This is cold traffic, guys. This is not hot traffic, warm traffic, or anything like that. This is very cold. Okay. So these people do not know who you are. Okay. The only way to get these people interested is to send them emails out every single day, get in front of these people. That way they can get warmed up to us and what we're doing. And then eventually they'll start subscribing and then they'll start by purchasing from us. Okay. So that's how that goes. All right. So let's go ahead and go over to the offer, which is live chat jobs, social sales rep. So you just want to come here and click on email swipes. Okay. And then what that's going to do is going to give us 20 email swipes. Okay. Now you're going to promote each and every one of them. Okay. And then once you get down to 20, what you're going to want to do is just come back to email one. And the cool thing about the My Legion secret system, all the emails that you promote are going to be in this drop down menu. So all 20 emails that you have is going to be in that drop down menu. Okay. So all you got to do is send this out one time. Once it gets to 20, you can start back to number one from the drop down menu and just click and it'll load the email up for you. And then all you got to do is click send. So there's no more copying and pasting. All right. So that's the cool thing about that, which makes it a little bit easier and it saves a little bit more time. Okay. But for the sake of this video, of these videos, I'm just going to show you guys how easy it is to come in here and just send out an email in the system. All right. So let's go ahead and go down here. Let's just go to day number 20, for instance. Okay. So what we would do in this subject line right here, we're just going to grab the subject line. Okay. And these emails that are in the free email swipes, these emails convert, guys. These are really good. Okay. I've promoted them. Okay. Connect with the world. Join our team as a live chat assistant. All right. Perfect. All right. So what we do is come back over here. Okay. And we want to come down to the body. I've already sent out my email today, guys. So I don't have to send out any emails right now because I've already beat you guys to it. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab this body. Grab this body and just go ahead and grab that. Boom, Control C. Come back over here to the mailing system. And then we want to Control V. All right. Just going to take all that out. Control V. And then everything looks good there, guys. So you just want to come here up here to where it says hide name. So you want to take the name and we want to take where it says your first name. And we want to take that out, Control C, and then come back over here, come down here to the mailing system, and you want to take this out, this body, and take that name out and put in Control V. Boom, space, Control V. What that does is say, hi, such and such, hi, Jermaine, hi, John, whatever your name is. And then it goes into the email, okay? And once the email, you see the email, everything looks good. What you want to do when you see a bold text that says click here or hit this link or apply now, when you see links like that, what you want to do is turn those links into clickable links. Okay. And how we're going to do that is you want to highlight it and then click on that link tab right here. Come back to the mailings. Come back to the offer and we're going to grab this hop link. Okay. Now, this hop link is going to be it's going to be congruent to this email that we're sending out. Okay. That's why I recommend you sending these emails that are below the email that you get in the offer. Okay. Send those out because those convert really good. Okay. This email goes right along with this. This link goes right along with this email. So right here where it says your Clickbank affiliate ID, you want to put in your Clickbank affiliate ID. Okay. Not anyone else's, not mine, but yours. Okay. So you want to come back here, click on your affiliate ID, click on Jermaine. Okay, well, sorry guys, don't put in Jermaine one. Okay, don't put in that's my affiliate ID, that's my name. Okay, I wouldn't put that in the system. Okay, so I'm just showing you guys for educational purposes on how to do it. All right, so you want to Control A, and usually I like to make this either 16 or 18. Okay, so boom, let's go ahead and go 16. And then right here, guys, everything looks good on the email. Look, hi, such and such. Do you have a knack for conversation? At the bottom here, where it says earn 25 to $35 an hour while helping others, yada yada, and then it says hit this link. Okay, so when our prospect clicks on this link, it takes them to our affiliate page and we get the commission from it. Okay, how powerful is that? All right, very easy to do. Now, when you come down here to the mailing system, and there's going to be two tabs. One is going to say send now, and one is going to say preview. Okay, what we're going to do is click on preview. When we click on preview, we're going to click on this link to make sure that it works. So we want to make sure the link is not broken or it's not going to some other URL. Maybe you accidentally misspelled something or something like that. This is why we go to preview first. We want to preview the ad, make sure that it has your Clickbank affiliate ID in the URL somewhere in that URL. Okay. Now, after you do that, what you want to do is you come back here, guys, and you click on send. You click on send. Okay. It's that easy, guys. If you guys ever sent out an email on Gmail or Bing, Yahoo, whatever, if you sent out email before, you guys know how to do this. And you can do this method, guys, because it's very easy to do. All right. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system. I just showed you how to do it, okay? So you don't have any issues doing that. All right. So if you come back here, let's see here. Okay. Now, guys, let's go ahead and go over to ClickBank. We did send out an email last night, okay, which is showing us results on what we did last night. Okay. So let's go ahead and go over here to the reporting tab. Today is May the 21st. Okay. Let's check the results. All right. Okay, good deal. Okay, so today we did good over 1,100 hops today. 1,100. We got 674 unique hops. Okay, these are brand new IP addresses that came to our website. They whipped out their wallet. Okay, they're like, man, I want to buy this program right now. Okay, they either buy for whatever reason or they don't buy for whatever reason. Okay, so today, unfortunately, we didn't get any sales today. Okay, and we didn't get any free trials. Okay, today. Okay. Now the cool thing is that yesterday we did get a sale. Okay, we got a free trial sale. That sale should be paid out sometime this weekend, maybe Friday or something like that. I get caught up on the days, but I think Friday that sale will come because I believe we got it yesterday. Okay, so that initial sale will be coming. And then since we're on day number 42, all those emails from the first 30 days, those people are going to start getting billed the next set of 30 days. So what you're going to start seeing is more rebills and brand new sales. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's the results that I wanted to show you today. I wanted to show you how to send out an email in the My Lead Gen Secret system, which I just showed you how to do that. It's very easy to do. Now, the email swipes that you use, what you can also do here, guys, once you go through these 20, okay, let me go back up here. Let me close this out. Now, once you go back up here to this 20, what you literally do is take this email and go over to ChatGPT, copy this, and then have them rewrite this email, okay, into a different email. All right, a high converting email that's shorter. All right, I just gave you guys a gold nugget. I'm not going to repeat that. If you want to hear what I just said, rewind the video and just go back to it. But this is one of my tricks that I do. And this is how I'm able to get, earn income from this method, guys. It's very easy to do. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's how you send out an email. I just showed you the email one. Click, go through here and send out these emails one by one. Okay. All the way to 20. When you get back to 20, start one again. Go to 20 again. Once you get back to 20, go over to ChatGPT and have them rewrite that email. All right. Super easy to do. Another gold nugget for you. All right. So, um, that's it, guys. That's what we did. I'll show you how to send out an email. We got some good traffic today, guys. Everything looks good. Okay. Somehow we just didn't get an initial sale. Okay. We are still new into this method and getting people warmed up to us. We're only on month 2 of this affiliate challenge. Okay. So the rebuilds from the first 30 days, we're going to be looking, they're going to be coming back this month. Okay. On top of the sales that we're going to get. So we're going to have those $20 days. We're going to have those $40 days, okay? And then next month, okay, on month 3, we're going to have $60 days, all right? And that's exactly what I'm looking forward to, guys. So it's going to be exciting. I'm going to be with you guys every step of the way, okay, guys? So subscribe to this channel. Click the link below. Get started with the My Lead Gen Secret System. Send me a message. Okay. Let me know what you think about this stuff. Okay. If this stuff is something that you could do, if you're someone out there looking for extra income, maybe to pay your car note, maybe to pay a bill, electric bill, gas bill, maybe even to help pay your rent. Okay. If you got rent, if you got mortgage, right? If you're looking to save yourself some money, any type of where, this is the method that I would recommend to you guys to get started. Okay. But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm not going to take too much more of your time. I want to just end this video. I just showed you how to send out an email. I just showed you the results from yesterday. Yeah, I've sent out my emails yesterday, and I'm going to meet you guys back here at the same time, at the same place. All right, guys. Peace.